Hey, what is up? Matt here from Surplus Trader Secrets, and today I'm going to show you 7 ways to get product ideas, what type of stock to look for, what type of surplus inventory to look for to buy and flip. A lot of people struggle with thinking of what type of products to go look for. You know, what are buyers looking for? Where to get ideas from. I'm going to show you 7 different ways to get a constant stream of product ideas. If this training resonates with you, I'm going to give you an opportunity to book a free 30-minute strategy call with me at the end, and we can see if you are a good fit for us, we're a good fit for you to get into our coaching program, teaching how to make 10,000 plus per month buying and flipping surplus and excess inventory. Okay, so number 1, online retailers. So with online retailers, you can actually go and see what they are selling, but there are 2 types of online retailers. There are general online retailers that basically sell a big range of lots of different product categories, but you've also got online retailers who are very specific to one single product category. So you can literally search, a product name, online retailer, or, online seller, or literally go onto one of the websites of, a well-known retailer out in the high street that you know of, go onto their website and just start looking through their product categories and sub-product categories. So for example, if you were wanting to get product ideas on beauty products or cosmetics products, for example, you could go onto a large online retailer like in the UK. You've got Boots, Superdrug. They are specific to that one product category, that one broad product category, health, beauty, cosmetics, etc., and go onto their website. So you can really deep dive into their product categories and sub-product categories and get some really good ideas on lots of different products that you probably never even seen before, that you can actually go out there and search for, surplus inventory from companies that actually supply those types of goods. Okay, number 2, Amazon and eBay. They are the Bibles of online retail, and they are always a go-to place for me when I want to get some ideas on, products that are maybe not as popular as other products, but they might be a good seller. These are, sub-product categories under a broad product category. So, a broad product category could be sports products or outdoor products, but then you can really deep dive into the sub-product categories in Amazon and eBay and just start getting some really good ideas on types of inventory to look for related to those sub-product categories within that broad product category. Okay, number 3, LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a fantastic place to get product ideas, because what you can do is you can actually look through places like groups. So groups in LinkedIn are, there's a group related to every single product category that you can think of. Join those groups. Start connecting with people who are in those groups related to that one specific product category. Or use the search box where you can actually, search a product name and then filter it to people, and then look at the results of people who are basically connected to that product name that you've put in the search box. LinkedIn is where you are connecting with people. You are laser targeting specific people in a specific niche or product category. So what you can do is you can start connecting with specific people related to one specific product category or sub-product category. A great place for networking and building contacts. Okay, number 4, supermarkets or department stores. So, I do this all the time. When I go to the supermarket, at least once a week, I go up and down the aisles, and there's so many different products to look at. Each aisle is related to one product category. So, there's like baby products, there's toys, there's food, there's beauty products, there's everything, homewares, there's everything. Start looking at the products on the shelves, pick them up, look at the product, have a look at the label on the back of the packaging, and look for the company name, look for the supplier name. Okay, so this is where you can get ideas, not just product ideas, but you can also pick up actual supplier contacts as well. These are supplier contacts who are supplying that specific supermarket, but also, mainly it's just for getting product ideas. Just have a really good look up and down these aisles and just get ideas on products, and then go and search for companies who sell that type of product, and reach out to them and see if you can get offered some surplus excess inventory. Okay, not just supermarkets. You can go into your local shopping mall or shopping centre, go into individual shops, get product ideas, literally look in the shop windows and get product ideas when you're walking up the high street, or go into these large department stores. They've got 4 or 5 floors of these in these department stores, where you can get lots of ideas on what type of product to look for. Okay, number 5, niche stores. Again, you can get out into the high street or on these these big shopping retail parks, and there are very niche stores related to one specific broad product category, like beauty products, or maybe outdoor goods, or maybe toys, or art and craft, or anything that retailer is just specific to one broad product category. Again, go in and just go up and down the aisles and search for product ideas, and write them down, or type it into your phone, get some ideas, and then go back home, get on your laptop and computer, start searching for companies specific to those products that you've got ideas from. Okay, number 6, discount shops. So everywhere there are discount shops, discount stores. Go into these stores. These guys are experts. They know what the best-selling products are. Go up and down the aisles in these discount stores. You will see lots of different types of products that, a lot of them are like, top sellers within that specific product category. So go into these discount stores. Lots of ideas you can get from these discount stores, without a doubt. Finally, number 7, ask your buyer contacts what they are looking for. Okay, so this is almost like a reverse method. So instead of going out and getting product ideas, you're actually asking your buyer contacts, what are you looking for at the moment? What products are you looking for? What product ideas have you got? Anything specific? And then go and look for what they are looking for, guys. Okay, that's my 7 ways on getting ideas on what type of products to go and look for, so you can get started flipping excess inventory. I will see you very, very soon.